So basically, coronavirus is hitting the world and France pretty hard. And the way I'm saving the world is by staying home. You should stay home too. Staying home is fun. Staying home is okay. Staying home is driving me crazy. To get groceries, I need a mask. France doesn't have masks. I don't have a mask. My parents don't have a mask. So let's make a mask. Pulled my scraps out. I still have this and this. Googled mask pattern online, printed it. Set up the fabric, cut the fabric, stitch the fabric together, done. Now I need a way to attach it to the head. I have that, too big. I have that, still too big. I need an elastic band that can be wrapped around the ear. Oh, I have an idea. Shower caps. Got shower caps, always steal them from hotels. Cut the elastic band, protected the elastic band with some fabric, attached the elastic band to the mask, stitched everything together, and boom. A mask from scratch. That one was for me, that one for my mom, and that one for my dad. Remember, stay protected if you need to go outside, and please stay at home as much as you can. Oh, and this is me wanting you to subscribe down below. Also, comment down below your Fortnite or League name, and let's play. Thanks for watching.